Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and let your mind wander. Imagine a world where the air is clean and sweet, where every breath feels like a gift from nature. Birdsong fills the air, a vibrant chorus against a backdrop of rustling leaves. The melodies of nature create a symphony that soothes the soul. This is not a scene from the distant past, but a glimpse into our future. A future where innovation and nature coexist seamlessly. A future where humanity and nature exist not just in harmony, but in a vibrant, thriving partnership. Communities come together to nurture the earth and each other. Open your eyes to bustling cities, but not cities as you once knew them. These are cities reimagined, where green spaces are woven into the urban fabric. Towers rise high, cloaked in emerald green, vertical gardens reaching for the sky. These living structures breathe life into the concrete jungle. Below, streets pulse with life, electric vehicles glide silently, and walkways bloom with wildflowers. The hum of progress is gentle, almost musical. This is a world where technology and nature have become allies, where the echoes of extinct creatures are heard once more, and where the air sings with the joyful melody of a planet reborn. The balance between innovation and preservation is finally achieved. This is the promise of our future, a future where every step forward is a step towards a more beautiful, sustainable world. At the heart of this transformation lies a powerful force, artificial intelligence. No longer a cold, calculating entity, AI has evolved to become the guardian of our planet. Sophisticated algorithms, powered by the sun and wind, monitor ecosystems with unparalleled precision. Sensors woven into the fabric of our cities track pollution levels, anticipate natural disasters, and even monitor the health of individual trees. In the wild, AI-powered drones soar above endangered species, protecting them from poachers and monitoring their populations. This is not about control, but about understanding. By harnessing the power of AI, we can listen to the whispers of the wind, the rustle of leaves, and the songs of the birds, deciphering the language of nature itself. Imagine a world where the thunder of elephant herds shakes the savanna, where the air vibrates with the roar of a tiger, where the skies are painted with the majestic wingspans of long extinct birds. This seemingly impossible dream is now within reach. Using preserved genetic material, scientists have unlocked the secrets of the past, breathing life back into creatures long lost to time. From the woolly mammoth roaming the Siberian tundra to the majestic passenger pigeon gracing the skies of North America, extinction is no longer forever. These resurrected creatures are not mere curiosities. They are vital threads in the tapestry of life, carefully reintroduced to their native habitats, restoring balance to ecosystems disrupted by human actions. Section 4. The breath of the city. Gone are the concrete jungles of the past, replaced by verdant oases teeming with life. Buildings, once symbols of human dominance, have transformed into vertical forests, their facades adorned with lush gardens that climb towards the clouds. These living walls are not just aesthetically pleasing, they act as the lungs of the city, purifying the air, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing precious oxygen. Rooftop farms and community gardens flourish, providing fresh, locally grown produce, reconnecting urban dwellers with the rhythms of nature. The line between the built and natural world blurs, creating a vibrant tapestry where concrete and steel coexist in harmony with the whispers of wind through leaves and the cheerful chirping of birds. Section 5. A symphony of life. In this future, the natural world is no longer a distant entity, but an integral part of our everyday lives. The boundaries between urban and natural environments have blurred, creating a harmonious coexistence. Walk through a city park and you'll encounter not just squirrels and pigeons, but a kaleidoscope of creatures, some familiar, others once thought lost forever. Imagine seeing a fox darting through the underbrush, or a family of deer grazing peacefully. Butterflies dance among the flowers, their wings painted with iridescent hues. These delicate creatures add a splash of color and a sense of magic to our daily routines. Birdsong fills the air, a symphony of trills and warbles. Each note is a reminder of the vibrant life that surrounds us, even in the midst of our bustling cities. Even in the heart of the city, the presence of nature is a constant source of wonder and delight. Skyscrapers and green spaces coexist, creating a unique urban landscape. This proximity to nature is not just aesthetically pleasing, It's essential for our well-being. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature provide a much-needed respite from the concrete jungle. Studies have shown that spending time in nature reduces stress, improves mental health, and fosters a sense of connection and belonging. The benefits are profound, touching every aspect of our lives, from our physical health to our emotional well-being. Section 6. The gift we give. This future is not a utopia, but a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our capacity for change. It's a vision of what we can achieve when we come together with a shared purpose. It's a future built on collaboration, innovation, and a deep respect for the natural world. Every step we take is a step towards a more sustainable and harmonious existence. It's a future where we recognize that our fate is inextricably intertwined with the fate of all living things. Our survival depends on the health of the ecosystems around us. This is not a burden, but a gift, a precious opportunity to create a world where both humanity and nature can thrive together. A gift we give not just to future generations, but to ourselves. By nurturing the environment, we nurture our own well-being and happiness. By healing the planet, we heal ourselves. Our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. By protecting nature, we protect our own future. The choices we make now will determine the legacy we leave behind. This is not just about saving the planet, it's about rediscovering our place within it. It's about finding balance and harmony in our relationship with the earth. It's about recognizing that we are not separate from nature, but a part of it. Embracing this connection is the key to a sustainable and fulfilling future. Section 7. A future for all. So close your eyes once more. Imagine a world where the air is alive with the songs of 1,000 different creatures. A world where cities breathe and forests thrive. A world where humanity and nature walk hand in hand, partners in the grand adventure of life. This is the future we can create. This is the future we must create. A future where the symphony of life plays on, richer and more vibrant than ever before. This is a future for all.